Hi, this is Karen with WTI. I was looking for something to elevate the functionality and the look of my desk. And this XL largemouth pad from Cmhoo store has been it. I love that I can use my computer mouse anywhere in this pad. I can use it on my right side, I can use it on my left side, depending on what is it that I have display on my desk. Be having a lot of things going on, and I can move it around, and the mouse can still be working. I love products that are easy to clean, and this mouse pad was so easy to clean. I had a lot of food crumbs, dust, and as you can see, it was really easy to clean up. And I also like that it's super flexible. It's really thin, so it doesn't feel bulky. Definitely, this mouth pad has elevated the look on my desk. I just love that little touch. And that's my point of view.